What's up, y'all? It's DIY Dad, also known as Delicious21, and today I'm gonna be showing you how I replaced my coaxial cable wall outlet with one of these Levington screwless wall plate kits. If your home relies on a cable internet connection, you'll benefit from this upgrade. My home was provided a fiber optic connection, so I'm doing this just for looks. Obviously, my first step was to remove the two screws on the cover. When I took a closer look behind the cover, I could see that it was just a male-to-male built-in union. I used my needle nose pliers to loosen the coaxial cable connection so that I could separate the cable from the wall plate. At that point, the cable was just hanging out of the wall. So I ripped open my screwless cover kit like it was a bag of chips. I couldn't wait to get it in. I stuck the cable tip in, then I gave it a spin. Of course, I decided to torque on it just a tiny bit with the needle nose pliers. Next, I drilled the two screws in to mount it on the wall. And now that the ugly stuff was mounted securely on the wall, it was time to cover it up with the pretty stuff. Even though this cover appears to be one piece, it snaps apart. The frame gets mounted on our centerpiece, which is on the wall. The frame has its own two screws that mount it onto the centerpiece. I was careful not to over tighten those because they thread into the plastic. Finally, it was time for the final touch. The screwless cover just snapped right into place.